April, I was down, summer '09, waiting on my court date, that was September. No, I got the heat rock, I was on B-block, I called my first letter. I know that you remember, anxious for November, waiting on Taylor. I thought that I was coming home, but that it was unknown. I had Dave and June. Then June came around, yeah, that's my birthday, so I'm getting sicker. But I'm still okay, still put my smile on, I'm thinking about it bigger. Only God knew the outcome, waiting on a phone call, never went without one. Only God knew the outcome, waiting on my visit, I never went without one. You are my sunshine, my star. Can't nobody treat me better than the way you do. No, but I ain't seen you lately with all these gray skies. With all these gray skies. When I'm coming home now, it's 1-0 now. When my release date, I'm waiting on parole now. Trees still there, it's getting hard for. I might even know now. No, I don't blame you, just want the same you. Just want the same you, I know I gotta change too. But it's hard for me, cause it's all on me. You could call on me, girl, we is on now. Thinking about tomorrow, yeah, thinking about Taylor Page, waiting on a better day. I ain't even mad, cause I can't take it back. I was calling you every day. We both moved on and we both came back. Gray skies, we've been through the storm. Then I moved the clouds, April 4th, 20